Hi all, we're going to walk through how to calculate uncertainty. Uncertainty is possible error in our measurement. We're all human. When we measure something, we're going to make mistakes, and that's okay. It's okay to have error, but we want to communicate what our error is so that people know how to understand our data and how much they can trust data. So let me give you an example. Let's say we're going to go measure a tree, and two teams go to measure this tree. All right, so they're going to go out, they're going to find the top, they're going to drop something to the bottom. We measure this tree, and the first team, the first time they measure the tree, they get 8 meters. The second team, the second time they measure, they get 10, and then the third time they get 12. So they've made some error as they measure this tree, but that's okay. We just want to communicate what that error is. So if we look at this is how we communicate our error. We're going to first calculate the range. So to calculate the range, you're going to take the biggest number and subtract it from the smallest number. So in this case, our biggest number is 12. Our smallest number is 8. We're going to subtract those, and we get 4. 4 is our range. The second thing we do is calculate our uncertainty. So to calculate our uncertainty, you take your range, in our case, that's 4, and you divide it by 2. So we're going to take 4 divided by 2. The answer is 2, and that's our uncertainty. So when we communicate uncertainty, we're going to communicate it as plus or minus 2. That's how we communicate our uncertainty. And what that means is anytime we have a measurement, you know that that measurement is close to the true value. It's within 2, actually. So if we look at a number line, let's say this is a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's look at this first number, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 is right here. Now, is the tree actually 8 meters? Well, we don't exactly know, but we do know that the true range of the tree is either plus 2 from 8 or minus 2 from 8. So the actual height of the tree is somewhere in this range. That is either 2 more of my measurement or 2 less of my measurement. Okay, so there's a second set here. You are welcome to pause the video, go ahead and calculate your range and then your uncertainty for this second set of data. All right, welcome back. Here I've calculated my range. I took my big number 16 minus my small number 4 to get 12. And then I calculated uncertainty by taking my range and dividing it in 2, which is 6. So I get an uncertainty of plus or minus 6. So the next question would be, which of these sets of data is better? Well, to decide that, we want the data with less possible error or less uncertainty. So set A would be a better set of data as I measure my tree because I can be more certain of every measurement because there is less possible error or less uncertainty associated with those measurements.